why don't we go and take the 49 Ford body swap BMW out for a drive? What if we stick the American flag on the roof and we shoot some stories for Instagram? I'm not really sure if the duct tape is going to stick to this because it has that ACF 50 anti-corrosion formula wiped on, which makes it a little greasy, but feels pretty good, so we'll see. So I get it when you mount it on a pole, but what happens when you mount it on a flat roof? I think there's a couple of schools of thought on this. Should it go this way or should it go this way? I don't know. It feels more natural to me this way, but that's because I'm standing on this side of the car. I'm gonna fly it this way. Can you even see me? It's getting kind of dark. So other than the car is not very predictable right now, it just doesn't want to run consistently. It's actually running, it's actually pulling really hard. It's pretty sweet. And the shifting is cool. I like this. I like this setup. This car is awesome. Drive straight, look at that thing. Steering wheel's not on straight. The car's driving straight. It's so sweet. New headliner in here, can't see it, it's totally dark. So quiet, it's so nice. All you hear is turbo action. Ah, man, this thing is so fun. That was cool. I'm really glad we came out. It's a little hot. Gotta get this air conditioning charged because this car still has all the BMW stuff in it. Air conditioning, heater, all that stuff is here, but it blows hot air. So hopefully it's just a recharge. At worst, we gotta replace some parts on it, but it's got all the AC in here. So I want that working. I want the cruise control working for crying out loud. This thing's gonna be a sweet ride. So stoked. Hey, this thing is a 49 Ford body swapped on a BMW 335i. It's a 2008 BMW. It's an E92 for those BMW buffs out there. It's a sweet car. Had factory twin turbos. It now has a single turbo, Garrett Motion. It's a G30-900. Man, we have so much cool stuff on this car, and it's idling really funny right now. And this is what I was talking about. Anyway, the Hostile wheels are so bad. They're so bad. Toyo tires on them. This thing hooks right now. But I still have a problem. I can't break loose because of traction control issues. So once we figure that out, some electronic stuff, we'll definitely do some smoke show. I'm really hoping for some smoky burnouts in this thing. So status seats, racing seats are awesome. Seat belts, harnesses are awesome. All the Axia alloy stuff in here, so cool. This car came together so cool. The guys, Jim, Ryan, man, you guys are so awesome, man. Sticking in for like 2 years to build this thing. So Connor, you've been shooting this thing for all that time too. And it's been a lot of work, but man, it's been fun. And you know what? I really appreciate you guys following us too all this time. Some of you guys have been around since the beginning. I really appreciate that. And I know you guys are subscribed. But for the new guys out there who are following us, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss our videos, because we're putting out more videos. We're gonna put more videos out on this 49 Ford moving forward now that it's kind of more so together. And then we got our 62 Mercury that we've been working on. That's a cool project. And we got some other stuff, you know, around to Tacoma and some other things that we're working on. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys hit the like on this if you like this video, and share it with your friends. Oh, hey, and you know what? check out our merch. It's on maniacsgarage.com. We got all kinds of cool merch out there, t-shirts, hats, beanies. You don't need beanies right now because it's middle of summer. And with that, happy 4th of July to all you guys. I'm out.